Daddy is using a lot of dominoes? Yeah. No, not yet. Daddy's almost done. Daddy's almost done.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
That's a lot of dominoes. How many more does Daddy have? He's got 4 more. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, Daddy, where should I go first?
Brian, knock them down from this side.
Let's see. Chugga chugga.
Not quite what we had in mind.
Was that fun, Ryan? More?
You
Say
said
thank
to
you,
knock him
Daddy.
down. You said to knock him down, and he did.